Sarah here, reporting on All Seasons Roofing and Waterproofing, Inc., a diamond-certified roofing contractor serving residential, commercial, and industrial clients throughout the Greater Bay Area. Our diamond-certified research shows that owner Vlad Gorshteyn and his team are qualified to work with all types of roofing materials, from composition shingle and metal to concrete and clay. The company is known for its hands-on project oversight and well-structured quality control, which allows its technicians to complete each project thoroughly and professionally. Founded in 1987, All Seasons Roofing and Waterproofing stands out for its experience, responsiveness, and attention to detail. Mr. Gorshteyn says, the company earns trust by maintaining clean job sites, providing timely service and clear communication, and making sure clients aren't surprised by unexpected costs. That's our report on All Seasons Roofing and Waterproofing, where, as Mr. Gorshteyn says, they utilize their knowledge, skills, and professional standards to solve roofing and waterproofing issues in a practical, cost-effective way. I'm Sarah Withers, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.